Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn English with Stories. I'm so happy to see you today. Here on our channel, we love learning English in a fun and easy way. Today, we have a very special story about a little puppy named Coco. Are you ready to listen and learn? Great. Let's start the story and have fun together. Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was kind and cheerful, and she loved all animals, especially puppies. One sunny morning, while Lily was playing in her garden, she heard a soft, tiny cry. She looked around carefully and whispered, "Who is crying? Is someone hurt?" She followed the sound, and under a big green bush, she saw a tiny, scared puppy shaking with fear. Lily knelt down and said gently, "Oh, you are so small and cute. Don't be afraid. I will help you." The puppy wagged its tail slowly, as if saying, "Thank you." Lily carefully picked him up and decided to take him home. She gave him some fresh milk and a little bread. The puppy drank and ate happily. The next day, Lily thought, "I should find the puppy's owner." She walked around the village asking people politely. "Excuse me," she said to a neighbor, "have you lost a small brown puppy?" The neighbor shook her head and said, "No, Lily, I haven't seen him." Lily asked another neighbor. He smiled and said, "Maybe the puppy is new. Perhaps he doesn't have a home yet." Lily wanted to make sure the puppy was safe, so she decided to take care of him herself until she found his family. She named him Coco. Every morning, Lily fed Coco fresh milk and bread. They played together in the garden. Lily taught Coco small tricks, like how to sit, how to roll, and how to shake hands. Coco loved Lily very much and followed her everywhere. One afternoon, Lily and Coco went to the riverbank. Coco ran happily and jumped over the little stones. Suddenly, Lily saw a boy sitting under a tree crying. She ran to him and asked, "Are you okay?" The boy looked up and shouted, "My puppy! I lost him yesterday." Lily smiled and said, "Is this your puppy?" The boy nodded excitedly. "Yes. Thank you so much for taking care of him." Lily gave Coco back to the boy. The boy hugged Coco tightly and promised to take very good care of him. Lily felt happy. She waved goodbye to Coco and said, "I'm glad you're back with your family." Take care. From that day, Lily remembered the little puppy who taught her about kindness, love, and caring for others. And whenever she saw a small animal in need, she would always help, just like she helped Coco. Thank you so much for listening to the story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words today. If you like this story, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Learn English with Stories. We will be back with another exciting story very soon. Until then, keep practicing, keep listening, and keep learning English every day. See you in the next story. Bye.